Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. Well, to find out, just watch the rest of the video, you coward.
What? Gusteau's dead? But he was my lover. Did you kill him? You killed him! Gusteau needs to be avenged.
Watch how fast I can run away.
Umbrella. Psych, I'm gonna freaking kill you!
Oh.
Pew!
No, my meat shield. Amelia, you gotta let her shoot you. I can't, she's too bad at aiming.
Pew! Time to commit murder. Oh, dang it, my thumb stopped working again. I gotta go take my vitamins.
Remy, help me.
Emil, how are you still alive? You're really... You're adopted. Where are my Flintstone vitamin gummies?
Emil, swing to me so I can let you go, like the Lion King movie. Okay, Remy, whatever you say.
Maybe I should start taking vitamin C. Ooh, there it is.
Long live the... Oh, this is not how it's supposed to happen.
Now, whoops, I dropped it. 5-second rule. This is for Gusteau! Dang it, I missed. Wait a minute. I just remembered something. I never paid my building contractor.
Mom?
It's our mom!
Wait, my autograph.
That's my autograph! Get it over here! Come back here! Hey, give it back!
Nope, it's mine now. Bye.
Come on, run! 5 more laps! Go, go, go!
I can't see anything in this book.
Or is that everyone? Wait, I think we forgot someone. Someone important. Where's my autograph?
Right here, Dad. I got it.
Oh, thank goodness. Wait, no, you're getting my autograph all wet. Give him something to grab onto. Come on, autograph. Come on, reach for it with your arms. Come on, get it right now. That's my autograph. I bought it on Craigslist for $5,000.
Dad.
It was like my life savings. That's my spatula too. It's time to kill you once and for all. Oh, dang it, my thumb stopped working.
Dad, I'm here. I got the autograph. Dad. Now you can finally respect me. Dad. Hey guys, look, a water slide. Hands in the air. Wee. Dad. Oh man. I think I just lost my whole family and friends. That sucks. Anyway, this place reminds me of my ex's house. What path should I take? Well, right is always right, I guess. Let's see, what's over here? Wait, no, that's a KFC deep fryer. No, I don't want to be turned into fried chicken. Oh my gosh, so much chicken tenderness. Oh no, here comes the grease.
Kentucky fried chicken.
The autograph. My autograph. I value that more than my life.
Gotta reach it. Gotta get it. Almost there.
Yes. Oof. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. That was finger licking good.